As the founder of the desktop 3D printing initiative here at the ATC, I was lucky enough to actually have my Replicator 2 in my cube with me. In the first quarter alone, I was able to print over 250 distinct parts for various programs. And what you see here today for James Webb is really just one of those programs.
The James Webb Space Telescope is NASA's biggest science mission ever. It's going to be the largest space telescope that's ever been launched. And so the pictures that we expect from James Webb will change our understanding of the universe and be much more spectacular than anything we have ever seen before.
Having the MakerBot on our desktops has really allowed us to bring rapid prototyping within the design cycle here at the Advanced Technology Center. We've used rapid prototyping for years, but invariably it involves outsourcing parts to machine shops. This allows us to quickly go from conceptual design to CAD model to 3D printed part, and to really see and measure how that part interacts with the real world. And in the end, it allows us to produce better designs faster.
In particular, 3D printing has really played a role here for us in allowing us to develop products up front, find potential mistakes, optimize very early in the design process. That has been very, very beneficial.
James Webb Space Telescope is going to operate 1.5 million kilometers away from Earth. So we use the MakerBot parts to test our processes and to make sure that it was done right the first time.
So it also allowed us to work in parallel. So while we were developing some of the parts that were going to go into the instrument itself was in a cryo vacuum chamber, and it was going along with its cryo testing while we were developing these prototypes with the MakerBot, which allowed us, as soon as the instrument came out of the cryo vac chamber, to quickly and efficiently put these parts in very safely.
One of the things that I really love about the MakerBot and 3D printing is that it enables you to make physical things fast. And you know, here at the Advanced Technology Center, everybody wants to be an inventor. And when we first got our Replicator 2, word traveled fast that we had a 3D printer, and you know, engineers came out of the woodworks, knocking on my cube door, just hearing the rumors, asking if they could print something. And from the whimsical things to actual parts for a spacecraft, we had requests for everything, and we were able to accommodate them all. We're really just getting started with the MakerBots here in my lab. As I said, I was able to have the first of our Replicator 2s, and now we've grown to 3 replicators, and we have about 10 people that use them on a regular basis, and we're looking to expand to just allow anyone at the Advanced Technology Center to have access to a MakerBot at any time they need it.